Howdy, my name is Reed Ham. I'm one of the senior service engineers here at TECO Westinghouse Motor Company in Round Rock, and this is one of our new vibration analyzers. I'm just going to kind of walk through it and show you the components and kind of how to set them up and what they're capable of doing for you. When you open them up here, you'll have the quick start guide, kind of walks you through how to set it up. The analyzer is here. They have the power plug for the analyzer. You can see here on the back side, it has a USB plug there to be able to plug it into the wall. Here's the power cord for both the battery pack and the analyzer, both available to use with the wall plug. The analyzer you can use with the wall plug, or you can also use the battery pack here, USB plug with the battery indicator there for a truly portable application where you need to walk out in the field, you don't have power. A new unit will come with two analyzers or two accelerometers here. This is a demo unit, so it only has one, but you'll have two. Each one is a triaxial pickup. It has a USB plug here, and it's set up for mounting magnetically to kind of irregular surfaces, flat surfaces. It has kind of the double bar shape there for curved surfaces if you need it to mount to the side of a motor that's curved or what have you that might be irregular. Okay, so the device is powered up, the green light's on and ready to connect. So this is what you would do in the field if you're going to actually take some measurements. The first thing you would do is connect your accelerometer here to the back side of the device. You can see there's numbers here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can hook up to 4. We're just going to plug into 1 there. This is magnetic, so you can mount that to the side of a motor or a pump or other equipment in question. Take my smartphone and connect to the device. I'm going to go into my wireless Wi-Fi settings. Here on the list is TCOM. I'm going to connect to the TCOM connection. It'll connect there. While it's doing that, the app you want is the Pro 3200 PRO-3200, available in the App Store. So I'm going to open that up, and it's going to try to connect. Once it connects, you can see here it says motor and others. I want to connect to the motor because that's what I'm going to be measuring. And since I have an accelerometer hooked up, I can look at real-time measurements here, and you can see at the bottom I'm running real-time measurements. That's actually the readings there off of the accelerometer. So if you can kind of see as it measures, those numbers go up and then back down as the vibration stops. X, Y, and Z, a triax there. So if you wanted to actually input some data, so you would go into measurement, analysis, and diagnostics. So that screen we just looked at was real time, and then here you're actually going to go into the analysis and be able to see some more information. So I'm going to enter all this data here, and number of poles, bearing numbers, frame numbers. You have a lot of inputs there that are available to you. Okay, once we've input all the data, we just tell it input completion. It moves to the next page, tells us the vibration measure. Now we can actually start the measurement. It's going to run through a little routine here and give you some percentages. It's taking the FFT and doing some analysis along the way and taking some numbers. It gives you 100%. You tell it measurement completed. We can actually choose those and go and look at some of those values here. You see here it gives you the FFT for each of the 3 axes. We swipe left and right to choose between all of them. We actually scroll out to the high frequency data here as we go left and right across, and we can look through the FFT. We'll choose next here. We actually if we wanted to look at diagnosis, we could go in and check for unbalance. It would give you the likelihood of unbalance being present. If we suspect it, we could tell it yes. I can actually say that there. Let's say yes, suspected. We'll go next, and it'll tell us to check for unbalance, and if it's unbalanced, then balance it, of course. We're going to tell it we're not going to take a temperature today. If you wanted to input temperature, we could, but we don't have to. And then here, since I chose the possible unbalance, it gives me a possible diagnosis problems as we go through. It'll put possible unbalance in my report. So, and then give me all the RMS values, the FFT values, and all the information I input. And then we'll just save it to PDF. When it's done, it's a storage complete, and then it's ready to send out.